Mama akwaba wofre me adwoa search me mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Ghana fo ade hye omo akwakotena ma no ne omo UK and omo kase omo ehresem pepie no Ghana fo sorry a ye pe abrochiri system ni bi ye pe abrochiri system ni bi no omo ehrese ansa na UK, America, Canada, the friend is saying Germany abrochiri fo no omo de niama etoto akwem ansa na be yesa abrochiri no omo sacrifice ade bia opani a wo bre inti Ghana for NPP ba no omo di free education, free maternal care, free health insurance, digitalization, no omo ye mobile money interoperability, omo mamo address system na de ade no. It takes time. Omo abrochi for no mo fit no mo be di he o. Nti MPP for ba omo de nyama we nyina ba na se mo hu se de ahokyere beba economy no because ni na esika no de free education kwanye sika keto omo de aye. Inti se kasa ne sia na de bia be kan de na ye be kan de na de bia bet na ye ABCD bi se ya ABCD ana wo kan de say nti ye nya botare na ye sacrifice ye no nsuntwa opani ye maintain MPP na bia be fine because omo ko ten omo bre omo pe kwan aba bonkru na se ye de aban ne be hye NDC fo nsa 8 years NPP 8 years we be di na okọ ni aba na obedi na wakọ de na ne Ghana de be ya ne be ye omo be ka brochiri omo so omo ntumi nko bi ni manso awawo msa Inti no, and the ember modern said 2024 ye be maintain NPP no more break 8 no yenti nsema omo de etuja
o de agu akwam no they are sustainable sana broni beka eyade a eba ebeka ho na di mpuntuo ama Ghana ni bia enye policies a eba ene ochina na atwamako na sa na emebra panyi di kan ye the policies ni bi gu akwam a the sabotage ne amambofusema ye the time won't know we don't get the ultimate results of these policies enti eya na emano eye den say we will see the actual results of these policies that has been enrolled because ye hwe bibi to say free SHS it has come
it is educate.
Oh yes me nuanu mo omukọ high school you know omukọ school free na mama nka asemi education is a right. Oko ye kroma or catcher will say education a your right. Meko University ya will be scholarship sika ya dema obia a child say right to study meaning say oh wakunya say usua de sa enhyehyɛ pa we bi ana ye His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo any Vice President edi gu akwam say ye benya na afi aboaye free SHS policy by for the free maternal health care by we have the national health insurance scheme. These were sustainable policies that has been enrolled. Another biami busa say ye 32 years in republic any your fourth republic ya any si for chair one single policy or mode ba ya eboa Ghana ni bia ema ni nya so mfa so. We saw Metro Mass. Everyone had a benefit of it. There was health insurance. So where nyakra you have an indirect benefit because what fasi bi nya so infaswo unie bi nya so infaswo. They should tell us what policy and omodia ba Ghana maimua say under Jeno we brought this policy. They should tell us ebi ni wasa ye koyenim Dr. Bawumia asamodi to around 7th February this year no we saw the outline policies and one that touched my heart was how he is going to reduce the cost of living here in Ghana. On a global scale cost of living across more than 5 times. Now yeah, about 1.66%, and now we are seeing about 8 point something just on the global level. And we show say on the global economic scale, no, we are seeing more higher than Ghana. You need Pluto. We are on Earth, so obviously we are part of it. And you know the message say, a chain, a depreco. And you say ne. And ye enroll policies ya ye nyane better busama my UK ask them obi otu kwanche yes started policies in Europe no it wasn't easy abochena obi adwane kono there was a time it was like this there was a struggle between the left and the right didimu na efa amre no bibia enroll kama systems no in place enti message Ghana for na no pay obi a wotie ye bia say fa bibia to nchen the apathy level no meaning say koso e man for di won ya we share their sentiment me metina enkata mani say bibia ya 100 Ghana for an annual pay. Obi a would say, be say, Fabibia to nchen, the apathy level, no, meaning say, of course, a month for Dimo. We share their sentiment. Me metina and Katamani say, Bibia 100%. There be Naimum, ye dream, ye dachi, any madachi who say, ye tuaba, ama Bawumia, say obeba, now your policy say, yes, sustainable goals, no, which aligns with the UN and all the international bodies, no, to be installed within Ghana. Say, be or Chinebi, about 10 to 15 years to come, no, it may be kwabo because they are all kwabo no, they will get some here. Until on hand and also be pray no home, and my connection man be akudini sika, they will stay here and they will work. And we are revamping the services sector, no. And
right. Prince Boadu Boateng, executive member.
Oh, here, yet you omoka, who so position yet you omoka, oh, parliament, so him, sir.
Oh, yes.
Opposition leaders are paid. Yet you see, can you omoka? Because I'm on your sem, no. Or mine in such a way, sir. Because he need the buy, checks and balance. Into a position, you know, honum to make sure, sir, Nipa obu mine or the quine or the mining nam quintin so on minor and nam quintin so make a suggestion.
So
yeah, better. And you say, be out criticizing a keka, now say, Sabe, oh man, na Juma, then they didn't say train, yeah, they buy a free, obi,
come on, you're gonna for almost 1 month to Indiana by Mike.
So to say train, my friends, train when you treat in the say, Keteke. Brand new, different Poland aba.
Kwabran the car was come
brand new, so yeah, you mama and this, ya pack a car, so. Aban, ye do webu mine. Patriotic as here. Until now, ask of him, and into no, Sabe, ya bofi aba, ye make sure, say, ya dia no tum, straight trimu, I'm a man for I say you. Beyond register, ABR, uncle register. Nay, I register so, ya premier come, say. We are mining more dint in the do December. Yam, high ho crying about to abano. It's from moment here me.
208 ABC.
Ah, Henry.
Then I become found. Comparing 208, Tama or my pendant of 4, Ebua Memona bedru babia. Near him see a nam quantennis wa ye conquajim. Na apati. A see na we say na minipama and a man say a namsuma NPP call opposition. Ye 2 about first run. Yanya 50+1 near lady na ekɔ secrona ene medane ye yakɔ 2024 apatini bi asase e beba e bi ko independent obo ma MPP ni pause me ko independent e di nchonso aye kama yenhwɛ ye wo emla bi wo Ghana high friend Rupa ho asɛm na baba ye kana moji tum se ka eno ye adwuma ka bebo am simple asese wo be proof plane na ba se o baba betwere wodi anse watimi ato abana
ochem obusa asem ye kan obi beka sa amanyosem na se be dey aye Ghana mrahye bedwam passe sa amrai share sa amrai se ye wa amono ne ye ntimi nto aba wo ho na ye influence how e bu amai wa han ache but yeah ye nuanu ndc fuwe o de to ha no mo de ato ha o de shaha no mo de ato because o munim say ye wa amono ne bebre na MPP for so it is in their interest to frustrate the system said the bear ye no ye nya kwanya bebre ento aba wo mo boa enti no asama obisa ne de ne kwan so ano no nka yitimi tena ye computer so ne ye bibia nka ye hwe Ghana card ye bebre na o Ghana card ya boy ensa no egu Ghana card ye so deda uko yisi so a yisi sa ko bon ensa no ayo unnecessary duplication it could be our Ghana card now we breacher again na sebe still kwan say nka uko online uko easy website no akọ point easy NIA
akabum
collaborate o ma ji data no kama aban kro na physical yes no as sebe ye dey registration kra wa ha no so but digitalization in now it could have done that and so amambofo